need to set up your fabric using the embroidery hoop. This helps define the area you'll be punching. Place the smaller ring between the cloth and the larger ring on top. Gently push the larger ring down over the smaller one to secure the fabric in place. Now tighten the screw completely so it becomes tight like the surface of a drum. As you start punching, you might notice the fabric loosening a bit. That's normal. Just keep tightening the screw and adjusting the cloth whenever needed for a smooth and seamless punching experience. Your first punch can feel a little tricky, but hang in there. With a bit of patience and practice, you'll be a pro in no time. And make sure your yarn is free-flowing and not caught under the hoop, your elbow, or any objects around. If the yarn doesn't move freely, your stitches won't hold properly. Start at the edge of your design, insert the needle all the way through until the barrel touches the cloth. Now place your hand in between the cloth and gently pull the loose thread and let it hang. Hold your punch needle so that the open part of the needle always faces the direction you're punching. You will be punching the back side for this design. We want the tall loops in the front. Now slide the needle to the next spot, but don't lift it too high or your stitches will come out. Keep your punches equal length for a neat and consistent finish. As you move forward, always make sure the open part of your needle faces the direction you're punching. You don't need to tie any knots. The tension of the fabric and the punch needle loops will hold everything securely in place. For the next row, punch in a staggered pattern, just like laying bricks on a wall, to fill any gaps evenly. And if you notice empty spaces later, don't worry, you can always fill them at the end. When you're ready to end a section, insert the needle all the way through the cloth and flip your hoop over. Pull the yarn gently as shown and cut it at the center. And carefully pull the needle out. We'll trim all the loose yarn ends once the entire piece is complete. You can now start a new section using the same color or rethread your needle with a new one and continue. If you make a mistake, don't worry. It's super easy to fix. Simply lift the needle and gently pull out the loops you want to remove. Be careful to lift slowly so only the stitches you intend to come out. It'll take a few stitches to get the hang of punching, and that's completely normal. You might even see some uneven loops or small gaps at first, but don't worry. You can always fill in the gaps later or adjust your loops using the tip of your needle. Once you're done with the design, take a pair of scissors and trim all the loose ends so they match the height of your loops. This gives your piece a clean, even finish. You can even cut around the elements to sculpt and give it some shape. Don't cut too deep or you might unravel the stitches. To finish up, apply some glue only to the elements and let it dry completely. Apply the glue on the back side only. And that's it. You are now a pro to start punching.